Hi to all. Today we discuss about the classification of fisheries. So, classification of fisheries mainly categorized into two types. One is the fin fisheries, another one is the non-fin fisheries. So, primarily we have to know about the what is the fin fisheries and what is the non-fin fisheries. Okay. So, fin fisheries means capturing or culturing of true fishes is called fin fisheries. Capturing or culturing of true fishes, it's called fin fisheries, except that which we are cultured of prawns, crabs, frogs, seaweeds, etc. These type of culture is called non-fin fisheries. So fisheries mainly categorized into two types. One is the fin fisheries, another one is the non-fin fisheries. Furtherly, these fin fisheries divide into two main types. One is capture fishery, another one is culture fisheries. Capture fisheries means fishes are captured from the natural water bodies like pond, rivers, lakes, oceans with the help of hooks and nets. It's called capture fisheries. Culture fisheries means fishes are cultured in the culture fisheries means fishes are cultured in the normal condition or normal water bodies or cultured in artificial water bodies with the using of some fertilizers, and also we have to provide some amount of supplementary food is also given to the fishes in culture fishery method. So fin fisheries two types, capture fishery and culture fisheries. Again, these capture fisheries furtherly categorized into different types. One, marine capture fisheries, offshore fisheries, inshore fisheries, freshwater capture fishery, brackish water capture fishery. So first one, marine capture fisheries means fishes are captured from the oceans. It's called marine capture fisheries. Offshore fisheries means fishes are captured from the open sea with the depth is more than 200 meters. Okay, fishes are captured from the open sea, the depth is more than 200 meter. It's called offshore fisheries. Inshore fisheries means the fishes are captured depth less than 200 meters is called inshore fisheries. So here offshore means we have to capture the fishes from more than 200-meter depth. Inshore fisheries means we have to capture the fishes less than 200-meter depth. And next, freshwater capture fishery means where we have to capture the fisheries from rivers and lakes and ponds. It's called freshwater capture fishery. And the last one, brackish water capture fisheries means fishes are captured from the brackish water only. It's called brackish water capture fishery. Again, marine capture fisheries means fishes are captured from the oceans, and offshore fisheries means fishes are captured from the open sea, depth is more than 200 meter. And inshore fisheries means fishes are captured from the sea coast. Depth is less than 200 meter. And freshwater capture fishery means fishes are captured from the rivers and lakes, ponds, etc. And next one, brackish water capture fishery means fishes are captured from the brackish water. And next, culture fisheries. So here several different types of cultures are there. One, pisciculture, crab culture, shrimp culture, scampi culture, oyster culture, seaweed culture, riverine culture, and lacustrine culture, extensive culture, semi-intensive culture, intensive culture, hyper intensive culture, and type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 cultures. Okay, so first one, pisciculture. Pisciculture means culturing of fishes is called pisciculture, and culturing of crabs is called crab culture, and culturing of marine prawns is called shrimp culture, and culturing of freshwater prawns is called scampi culture, and culturing of oysters for food or pearls it's called oyster culture, and culturing of seaweeds in sea it's called seaweed culture, culturing in the river it's called riverine culture, and culturing in the lakes it's called lacustrine culture. And extensive culture means fish seed will be added, and there are no fertilizers are used in the this type of culture method, it's called extensive culture. Okay, semi intensive culture means here we have to add fish seed, and also we are using some fertilizers in this culture method. Intensive culture means where is the aerators and a supplementary feed also given to the fishes. This type of method is called intensive culture. In intensive culture we are using aerators and also several supplementary feeds. And hyper intensive culture means stocking density is very high, and also the supplementary food will be given in the pelleted form only. And next, type 1 culture means here the juveniles will be here the juveniles are collected from the natural water bodies, and they are released into the confined water bodies. Here the juveniles will be collecting from the natural water bodies and also released into the confined water bodies. It's called type 1 culture. Type 2 culture. Type 2 culture means here the juveniles are produced in the hatcheries. The juveniles are produced in the hatcheries, and these juveniles will be released into the natural water bodies. Example, Katla and Labiorohita. And next one, type 3 culture. Here wild parents will be collecting from the natural water bodies. That means the parents are collected from natural water bodies, and eggs and juveniles are produced in the hatchery, and these juveniles will be released into the confined water bodies. Confined water bodies, it's called type 3 culture. And type 4, and the next one, type 4 culture. Type 4 culture means here the brood stock maintained in hatchery and induced breeding is done in this culture method. Pisciculture means culturing of fishes. Crab culture means culturing of crabs. Shrimp culture means culturing of marine prawns. Scampi culture means culturing of freshwater prawns. Oyster culture means culturing of oysters. Seaweed culture means culturing of seaweeds in sea. And riverine culture means culturing in rivers, it's called riverine culture. And culturing in lakes, it's called lacustrine culture. And fish seed will be added, and there are no fertilizers are used in the extensive culture method. And where used some fertilizers, it's called semi intensive culture. And aerators and also supplementary food also using in the intensive culture. And stocking density is very high, and also supplementary food will be given in the pelleted form in hyper intensive culture. Type 1 culture means the juveniles are collected from the natural water bodies and released into confined water bodies. And type 2 culture means juveniles are produced in hatcheries and released into natural water bodies. And type 3 culture, wild parents are collected from natural water bodies, and eggs and juveniles are produced in the hatchery, and these are released into the confined water bodies. And type 4 culture means brood stock is maintained in the hatchery and induced breeding is successfully done in the laboratory conditions through the type 4 culture. It's completely about the general classification of fisheries. Thank you.